What's up, guys? Redstone here, and I'm back with another Redstone Weekly episode. It's my second one, and so as you may see, I have a new skin. Just so you guys know, in filming order, this is the second, I guess, episode that I've had this new skin in filming order. Doctor Who Boy also has an episode with me in it, showing off my new skin. But, sorry about that. I was just saying low battery, so I didn't dismiss that. Okay, so, anyway, moving on. And I forgot I'm in creative. But in posting order, I'm not sure if this will be the first one to have my new skin. Second, third, whatever. In posting order, I'm not sure. But anyway, so who cares about that? But get to the redstone. So today, I'll be doing a couple of redstone things like last week. So the first one is an automatic door. It's a design that I came up with, so it's pretty simple. Just have the two pressure plates hooked up. When you step on them, the doors open, and the doors automatically close after, so. And you can just, I think you can even sprint. Yeah, and it won't even really give you a delay. So instead of last time where I had to tear up the place for the redstone, this is a world, screwing up my words, a world that I made specifically for this redstone stuff, the Redstone Weekly. So I have the covered up version. And by the way, don't mind that, I was trying to test something, but it hasn't really been working. And then I also have a stripped down version where you can see the redstone. Normally the stripped down version will have will be more simplified than the actual covered up version. But so as you can see, works exactly the same. I accidentally destroyed that. But here's the redstone. So as soon as you step on any of these pressure plates, it activates its redstone, which I have set up to this system here. I think it's called something that starts with an I. I'm forgetting what it is right now. But so when a redstone is like this against a redstone torch, when it is activated, it turns off the redstone torch, and then when it deactivates, it turns back on the redstone torch. So with this, when it's turned on...
Hello, Micah.
Sorry, that was just my dad. So anyway, so this redstone, when it's activated, it turns off this torch, which turns off this redstone line, which turns on this torch, which turns off this redstone, which opens the piston. I have that on both sides. And if you didn't know, if a redstone torch is on top of or not on top, but like sort of beside a piston like this, it'll also activate a piston underneath it. So yeah. So I made it work for both sides, so both sides are exactly the same. They hook up to the same redstone system right here. And here. The side's a little different. But yeah, so that's basically how this one works. Next, yeah, so that's the automatic door. This isn't very much of a creative name. It's called the tunnel trap. So if you run along here, you see those diamonds. Well, this is me. This I created, I was making like a maze type thing, an underground maze, with Doctor Who Boy on Royalcraft, a server I did a review on. And so you'll notice that there's a button here, maybe, possibly. If you press that button, you hear pistons. Nothing happens. Now that button won't become important until you come back here. As soon as you step on these pressure plates, pistons here, they close and you're trapped. And you can't even see. So I'll throw up a torch for you guys. Place it on the diamonds. But yeah, so see? And then when you step on the pressure plates, it won't activate again. So let's put these back up. Now you know this, you see this button again? As soon as you press it, it resets the system so that the pistons will open again. So once again, I step on it, on the pressure plates. They close them once, and they will not open. So the only way to open these without griefing your way out is to press the button. And if you're trying to be smart and press the button first, you hear the piston sound, but it doesn't do much. and you can't reach it from over here, so the only way to get out of that is to grief your way out if you're in a multiplayer server. So here's the dumbed down version. Yes, as I said in, for the last one, it's a dumbed down version of it. Works exactly the same. Oh, I'm getting random lag here. Weird. Yep, so here's the redstone for this. As soon as you step on the pressure plate, it activates this redstone line. And as you can see, it's staying on and not turning off. The reason for that is because this redstone, it attaches to this redstone repeater, which then repowers this redstone, and I just destroyed it, which repowers this redstone, which repowers all this, repowers this, so it keeps in a continuous cycle to stay on. As soon as you break any redstone that leads to this repeater or leads out of it, as you saw, so if I step on this, if I get rid of this redstone, or this redstone as you saw, it will deactivate, but I needed a way to get that to happen without having to go in there and break some redstone. So that's why I added the button. So this button, when I press it, you see the redstone, it leads to that piston. And this piston momentarily puts a block over top of the redstone, deactivating it, so it deactivates the system. Let's just go to times a day here. Okay. Yeah. I tried it with a lever at first. Dang. Stupid. Sorry. And now there's a slime. Bye, slime. So I tried it with the lever, which works fine, until I realized that you can make this operable, like permanent or not permanent. So if it's in the down position, as soon as you step off the pressure plates, it'll deactivate this. So I decided to make that a button. So that has to be a button there if you want this to work correctly. Let's put that back up. And how I got the top pistons to work is pretty simple. Just have this redstone here, leads up, and just leads to these. So, yeah, there you have it. The tunnel trap and the automatic door. So, this is a little bit of a shorter episode than the last one. But anyway, guys, that's of no matter. Murgaman 4, over now. And I'll see you guys later.